We made it to the beach.
Yeah.
It's way down there.
Yeah.
Today is March the 8th, which is a Sunday, and we are having a beach run with Kalima's team. Yeah, so it's kind of chilly out, so I'm not gonna. I got my swimsuit on, but I'm probably not gonna get in. I'm just probably gonna stick my feet in. But Nasim and Kalima got that swimsuit on because it's not that hot. I like for it to be like hot, extremely hot for me to get in the water. We'll see. Anywho, but it shall be fun. So they having like a little potluck. So we got some fruit and some potato salad and stuff like that. So
no. It's next to watermelon and
yeah,
junk food.
Yeah, we do got a couple of junk food. Don't tell anybody we got junk food. Shh, it's a secret. No, I'm joking. But yeah, we got all that too. Anywho, yeah. So we're gonna go out here and have a good time. Right on time, everybody. That's where we're at. This is the view, if you can see. Look at that, y'all. That's how up close I am. Everywhere is meter parking, as you see. I couldn't get away for that unless I go far and walking distance. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So yeah, it shall be great. It shall be fun. Hope you enjoyed this video. All right,
Mommy,
we all set up.
Look,
Yep.
the car.
Sushi on a platter, brandy, honey, it don't matter shots. Till I drop, gonna be 24/7, holding out like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you gotta 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot for you. I'm busy trying to take you higher, got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company, they all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete. I want this to stay.
That's over. I don't know what this is. Seaweed. It's seaweed. You don't like seaweed? I don't like seaweed either. Uh-huh. It's cold.
Can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna go home, can't sleep. So nice when you got me vibes. Here chillin' in paradise. Sunny days, no clouds in the sky, but I get away. Feels like it's been a
Wait, stay right there. It's coming. It's just a small one. It's a baby one. It's a baby one. Want to go back?
There you go, mama. Let's go! Come on!
Maya!
Good job, you guys. Good job.
Maya!
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Well, I know you ain't licking the sand.
Come on, Chris, pass me.
No, you don't.
Come on, Chris, pass me. Hey, good job, let's go. Pick it up. There you go, finish it up. There y'all go. Come on, y'all. Come on, finish it up. Finish it up.
Run, Matthew! They have water!
Good job.
Run, Matthew!
Kalima.
Finish past me.
Kalima.
Good job. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on, finish past me, let's go. Come on, finish past me, guys. Good job.
I'm about to get in the water. Have fun, Kalima. It's cold. Like I'm in cold water. Huh? My feet are numb. My feet are numb. That's what I'm saying. And once you go over there, your whole body. I got you, Kalima. That was a good one. That was a good one. You failed. Huh?
Water. I just want to take a bath.
Kalima's sleeping. Last view of the beach. I see him over there playing with the cone.
Yep.
I see him. You sleepy and tired? Okay, we about to go home. All right, we about to head. We're about to head home. This is the beach we're leaving from, and head back home. Kalima, she just finished at the beach. She did the Sandon run, and we're heading home. So yeah, y'all, this was a cool little beach potluck with the team. All right, bye.
Bye.